Namaste friends. Hope you are carrying yourself well. We are here to discuss one very important thing. This talk is about the spiritual journey. This journey is not just the journey to find the joy. This journey is to find what you truly are. Not only this, the journey of the spirit is to know all the possible content inside and around. And how to or why to get into this is must be understood. This is not something which is readily or easily available or all can pursue this, because the spiritual journey is the journey where you used to take rebirth. Previously, your mother conceived you. But in this journey of the spirit, you need someone who could guide you, otherwise your struggle will be immense. And luckily, if you find such a preceptor, then he will take you inside his womb, and then you will be there till you are not ready to rebirth or to enter anew to this same world in which you entered some years ago. Now, these things could be understood in general terms also. This is about building one's life. What is there in the life of each one of us? We used to study to find one work. Then we need to live in a family. Then we need to serve the society through the education, and then ultimately we need to die. This is individual's life. Now, if the spirit will come into the picture, then it will lead you to remove all the imperfections inside you. Just this is the journey of spirit. This will not happen in a day. Great patience is required for this. We live under the law of nature, and nature used to do everything in harmony and at fixed time. Everything is scheduled in nature. So if you schedule yourself well, then surely you also will find the harmony in you, and also it will transform your nature and you will find harmony around you too. To know all these things to create the harmony in you is actually the journey of spirit. It is not about just seeing the unseen or getting some magical powers. It could be there, but the right understanding of the spiritual nature or the journey of the spirit or the spiritual journey is to have harmony inside and outside. For this, the tolerance and developing this level of tolerance will be of great help. For example, someone told you bad words. What will happen out of it? There could be two possible sort of reactions. Either you will keep silence or you will reply. When you reply, then further this communication will go on and on, leading individual to nowhere apart from increased hesitation. Now, if we don't reply, around that time again, the two circumstances could develop. You have not replied out of mouth, but inside you could be manipulating. Or if you have not replied and the inner manipulation is not there, such is the nature of the person who is truly spiritual in nature. Why? Because such individual, after the practice of tolerance, understand that who actually had abused is the same individual like him. There's no difference between two people. Such is the practice of the spiritual person. It is not about practicing long meditation. It is not just practicing that I should eat just one time a day. It is not just the practice that I should behave in a certain pattern with people. It is about practicing oneness and treating every individual as the God or as someone where the disharmony could not get developed. Now this practice of oneness could be learned. For this, a set of routine, then a set of discipline, the simple discipline, not the hard and very complicated stuff needs to be done to have the spiritual journey. If you follow the rules of the cleanliness, if you follow the rules of speaking the truth, if you don't create anger in other person, these simple practice if you do, then surely